Students, I am Rameshwar Prajapat. Today we are going to read a poem of class 6 book Honeysuckle. The title of the poem is The Kite. It is composed by Harry Ben. Dear students, you must have seen different kinds of kites flying in the sky. Some of you have also flown it. There are many festivals and occasions when people fly kites such as Makar Sankranti. Nowadays, kites are made with different materials such as paper, plastic paper and silk cloth. Now, we start the poem. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. With a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail. The kite looks beautiful and bright in a clear sky. It shows different action in the sky. It dives and dips in the air just like any person who dives into the water with force. When it flies, its tail creates a cracking sound. It breaks. Now, see the other line. Then soars like a ship with only a sail, as over tides of wind it rides, climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. Here, soars means fly high. Now, another word, tides. Tides means rising and falling of sea waves. Crest. Crest means top position of anything, top mountain, top part of the bird. Now we will see once again explanation. Here the poet compares the kite with ship. A ship sails smoothly on sea water. The kite also sails in the air. It goes up to the highest point when the winds blow fast. When the wind slows down, it seems that the kites take rest. Okay, now we will see the other line. When a string goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows and its wing fill and up it goes. Here slack mean loose. String, thread of the kite that are used for flying kite. When thread of the kites has been loosened, the flyer, any person who flies a kite, rolls it back. As soon as new breeze starts blowing, the kite once again goes up high. Now we will see the other line. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new, but a raggeder thing you never will see when it's flap on a string in the top of a tree. A kite looks very bright and beautiful on a clear sky when it is new. Here, raggeder. Raggeder means torn or tattered. When it gets stuck on the top of a tree, when a kite entangle with tree, it is torn or tattered, and no one like to see it again. When a kite gets stuck with the tree, it starts flapping on a string, and it is torn. Nobody like to see it. I hope you have understood the poem. Thank you. Have a nice day.